I just wanna have some fun. Baby Julie, give me more and more.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwabisayomi and I like to call myself the Fissy of Glam by Fissy. I am a YouTuber based in Manchester, United Kingdom. Take whatever you want. That is where I'm filming from. This video is going to be a fun one because I went to have fun with my friends about 2 weeks ago. We were like, Nigeria is so hard, let's go and have fun. I didn't know it was going to be that fun. I mean, without even leaving Lagos. We went to the OMU Resort in Bogije, Lekki or Aja. That place is far. It is far. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, be a part of my YouTube family. Also tap on the notification icon so that when I post a video in the future, you are going to get notified. Make sure to leave me a comment, like this video. When I get to 1K subscribers and I do my 1K giveaway, if you are not a regular commenter, you're not going to get the money I'm going to be, the funds that I'm going to be dispensing, and that's on period. Who would have ever thought that there was ever going to be a time that my friends would like derive joy in like trying to pose as dolphins, or I would even derive joy by trying to fit on the head of a pot-bellied man, or that my friend would be trying to turn a gorilla on, or that I would enjoy standing beside a man that makes me feel like a complete dwarf. But on this day, like at the entrance, I was like, Jesus, I feel like a child. I feel like a child, you know. I mean, there was a lot of things to do. There was a lot of things to see. There was a lot of things to take pictures with. We started with the swings, actually.
Get set, go! What? What? They're not fleeing you. Are you filming?
And at this point, I was so ready to get them because I'm not even lying. I felt like I could taste my intestines and my liver and my kidney. They were already in my mouth. So I sort of stepped down, you know. So next up, we went to this swing-like bridge. But this way you have to like use your legs, and just like the perfect representation of how Nigeria is at the moment, like very shaky and chaotic.
I just wanna have some fun. Baby Julie, give me more and more. They blow my.
Like you try to put your legs somewhere, you're shaking. You're reaching a breakthrough or some sort of stuff in this Nigeria. If Nepal does not shake you, just the way that thing was shaking me.
You can do it, baby. You can do it, girl.
And the portals, they will shake you. If you know other things that can shake you, just the way this thing was shaking me, let me know in the comment section. Give up like me. Despite all the motivations that they get from all the aspire to perspire people, and they join the motivators. Go girl, go girl, go girl, go girl, go girl. Okay, winner.
Yay!
Dake, collect your plastic trophy. So we went to another swing-like what do they call these things? Recreational facilities. This one was like a swing-like thingy, but with legs. When we were not monkeys.
Go. Do I job?
Do I waiting?
Over Epo Moto.
Of course, you can take the bush from the girl and not the girl from the bush.
Life is tough, oh.
I just stepped down. It was not as if I was trying to give up, but you know, life is tough, and sometimes you just have to like step down for other people to shine. You understand, right? Okay, whatever this one was called, I really enjoyed it until my enemies wanted to shame me. I mean,
take Jetty down. Take Jetty down.
which Jetty down? Please, with which body? There was no way on earth I was going to take that girl out. I was just begging, please don't come up. Please don't throw me away. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ah.
So tell me the true story of Jonah.
Was going to Nen, was supposed to go to Nen. Come again. Was going to Nen, was supposed to go to Nen. Was supposed to go to Nineveh. So he didn't go. And fish swallowed him for 3 days because he disobeyed God.
Shower. On your mark. Get set. Win. Oh, there, you're supposed to hold something. Second attempt. On your mark. Get set. Win. Christy, you're not being critical. Oh, fight for your life. Why are you on Christy?
So I just wanted to like show them how it's done. You know, show them the way you do it. What? Shebi saw that they said it was Mission Impossible. But what am I? Am I a superhero? Then we went on a boat. Just that this boat was not on water, it was on air. When I saw this boat thing, I knew it was bad news, sort of. It wasn't like bad news, but I knew it was bad for me. I knew it was not my thing, but because of my friends now, I was forming, ginger, spiritual ginger. So I just sat down in the boat. I knew that this boat, not like blue boats or the boats that could them bitter. This boat was the kind of boat that could take me to hell. I was looking at the man, if you try nonsense here. I did not tell my mommy that I was coming to this place. Just take a moment to zoom in on my face. I was terrified. Oh no. This is detrimental to the Fissy brand. This is bad. Wait, did I pass out? Safe, eh? It's alright. Adults cry. It's okay to cry sometimes. So before we went on this ride, I had to ask them, excuse me, sir, has anybody died on this ride? Has anybody died on this roller coaster things? Are you sure you're not gambling with my life? I just said, let me ask, because as I was moving close to this thing, I was saying, Jerusalem one I. That song. By my piece of the ride began now, and I was keeping my cool as the coolest kid on the block. What are you talking about? I think I could not scream because my heart was in my mouth. At some point, I felt like I was crossing. I was crossing to the beyond. I just started waving to keep myself alive. Let me wave so people can see me. So I waved for a little bit and I went back to my vegetable state because I'm never doing that stuff again. Never.
Christy, be careful. I love you. You can faint, but don't die.
You can faint, but don't die. I apologize for being that loud. I don't know why I was that loud. And so this was the spaceship ride, I guess.
How do you feel? Yes, I'm so scared right now. Are you sure you're ready? Yes. Bye. Elere ya, ele ti ba ti e je.
I just wanna have some fun, fun, and fun. Baby Julie, give me more, more, and more.
Put them down! Put them down!
What? You want them to kill other people's children? Let me shout though.
Otherwise, I won't. Never. Could never be me. I feel good. I want to try more.
Sorry, baby, I was shouting at them. Bring it down. Why crying? Big girl like you.
Stay queen, content creator.
So after that, we went to the zoo, and generally, animals like disinterest me. I find animals very, very boring. I beg.
See their bum.
Can we move on to the next?
Oh, see this baby babu that gets to greet us. Hey. Hey. Hello. Oh, so cute. Oh.
So cute.
Use your glue.
Somebody use your glue, boo.
Hey. Okay. You showing us side.
My he don't move. My he don't move. He don't move. That Kiara, she was just looking at us like, I'm just waiting for them to open this door. I finish you. This was the basketball dunk, and my friends shamed themselves, which is alright. It's alright to shame yourself. We went kayaking, and this was a real workout because on Sunday, which was the next day after this kayak whatever, my hands were aching me. When I put this video together and I was watching it, I just sort of remembered life. Like, you can just be going in life, just the way JT was going, and still get stuck. Like, it's alright to just, on your journey in life, to get stuck. It's alright to like get stuck as far as you like calm down, find your way, and everything is going to be fine. You're going to be able to like sail smoothly, and everything is going to be alright.
Hands are aching, though. Can I go back?
It's alright to be tired. It's alright to want to give up. It's okay to be afraid as long as you don't stop.
Somebody save me! Somebody save me!
I want to ball.
At the ball.
And sometimes confusion does hit you in this life, and you don't know how and why. But then it hits you. It's alright as long as you find your way.
I can probably go fishing. Not melon water. I want!
And then we went to the water. What was it called now? We didn't initially want to do this because we didn't go with swimming trunks. We had to buy them there. That was where I had the most fun. This was like my first attempt, and my friends were scared as well, so I went first. And they were like, "Oh, don't hold anything, just let yourself go slide." As I noticed that I was sliding too much, I was sliding away. I had to open my hands widely to hold myself back.
Yeah, that is the second person to see. Wow. Take it easy, easy. Yeah, the third person that's waiting for you. Come on, man. Don't hold anything there. Stay away from there. Stay away, stay away. Oh, wow.
This was our second attempt, and we did better than first time. I had so much fun doing that, and I wanted to go again and again and again. See the way we stood up like dolls. We are taking classes, and we met these amazing fun people. Okay, so now we didn't explore like the whole resort as much as we should have because we were limited by time, even though we got there quite early, and we didn't go to a number of places. Actually, the museum, we didn't go karting, and there was this fish thingy we didn't see. Now, would I go to OMU Resort again? I don't think so. It's a very fun place, but I don't think I want to go again. Anyway, this is the end of my birthday OMU Resort, birthday shenanigans OMU Resort vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye. Nigeria with all my strength, my mind, my will, my everything. You cannot travel to Kaduna and come back to Lagos without husband or wife